Is your kitchen a complete mess? Dishes everywhere, pantry chaos? Can't find anything? Well, today I'm showing you 15 game-changing organization products that'll transform your kitchen into something that actually looks modern and functional. Stick around because number 7 is going to blow your mind. All the links are in the description box below, so you can grab these products right now. Product number 1, Space-Aid Bamboo Drawer Dividers. Drawers that mix everything together waste time searching for one item among dozens. The Space-Aid dividers use a spring-loaded mechanism that holds firm against drawer walls without tools or adhesive. 9 inserts create customizable sections for silverware, utensils, or office supplies. Each divider expands from 17 to 22 inches, fitting most standard drawer widths. 30 chalk marker label stickers identify contents instantly. Natural bamboo construction resists moisture and matches most interior finishes without clashing. Product number 2, StorageWorks Wicker Basket. Loose items scattered across shelves create visual clutter that makes rooms feel disorganized regardless of cleanliness. The StorageWorks basket uses hand-woven water hyacinth with tight, even braiding that holds shape under regular daily use. The built-in metal frame prevents sagging when loaded with heavier items like books or pantry goods. Thick integrated handles support comfortable carrying between rooms. One basket transitions across living rooms, bathrooms, pantries, and bedrooms without looking out of place. Product number 3, Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator. Counter space disappears fast in smaller kitchens, leaving spices and utensils with nowhere practical to land. This 3-piece magnetic set mounts instantly on any refrigerator side panel or iron surface without drilling. The large shelf holds up to 11 pounds, the smaller shelf holds 6.6 pounds, and the 8-hook rack carries 4.4 pounds of hanging utensils. Rounded corners and a 1.77-inch guard rail prevent items from sliding off. The hollow drainage design resists moisture buildup and mildew over time. Product number 4, Under Sink Pull-Out Organizer. The space beneath kitchen and bathroom sinks stays largely wasted because standard shelves cannot work around plumbing pipes. The L-shaped design narrows at the top to clear pipes and garbage disposal units while maximizing lower cabinet depth. 2 sliding tiers pull out from either side, making items stored at the back fully accessible without removing everything in front. The steel frame holds 50 pounds with baked rust-proof paint. Bottom suction cups and adhesive tape secure the unit without screws or drilling. Product number 5, Stackable Clear Storage Drawers. Countertop clutter builds when small items have no dedicated visible home that stays consistently accessible. 5 stackable acrylic drawers create vertical storage that uses height rather than surface area. The clear construction allows contents to be identified without opening each drawer individually. Pull-out handles with silicone non-slip base pads keep the outer unit stable during drawer operation. BPA-free shatter-resistant plastic handles daily use in bathrooms, kitchens, vanities, and pantry shelves without cracking or discoloring over time. Product number 6, Wall-Mounted Pot Rack. Pots and pans stacked inside cabinets create noise, scratches, and frustrating retrieval every time cooking starts. The 2-tier wall rack spans 29.9 inches with a 100-pound maximum load capacity, supported by stainless steel screws into 16-inch wall studs. 12 movable S-hooks reposition freely across the lower rack to accommodate different pot sizes and handle lengths. The guard rail prevents items from sliding forward during removal. Everything needed for cooking stays visible, accessible, and off cabinet shelves permanently. Product number 7, Lazy Susan Turntable Organizer. Items pushed to the back of deep cabinets or shelves become invisible and forgotten until they expire or get lost. The solid walnut wood base rotates 360 degrees on steel ball bearings, bringing rear items forward with a single spin. FSC certified natural wood construction handles heavy condiment bottles, canned goods, and spice jars without warping. Anti-slip pads protect surface finishes underneath. The sturdy metal rack rim prevents items from sliding off during rotation. No assembly required after unboxing. Product number 8, Oversint Dish Drying Rack. Counter space next to the sink disappears under drying dishes, leaving no room for food preparation between meals. The 304 stainless steel frame adjusts from 30 to 33.9 inches, spanning directly over the sink and draining water downward without pooling on the counter. 2 tiers accommodate bowls, dishes, wine glasses, and cutting boards simultaneously. 5 utility hooks, a knife holder, and a utensil holder expand storage beyond standard dish racks. The rust-proof fingerprint-resistant coating wipes clean with a damp cloth. Product number 9. Under-cabinet wine glass rack. Wine glasses stored inside cabinets occupy shelf space that could hold other items while remaining fragile and hard to stack. The iron rack mounts directly under cabinet shelves using screws through pre-drilled mounting holes, suspending glasses by their stems. 3 rows accommodate goblets with bases between 4 and 9 centimeters wide, fitting Bordeaux, Burgundy, Champagne, and cocktail glass styles. The gold finish adds visual organization to bar areas and kitchen corners. Installation takes only a few minutes without specialized tools. Product number 10. Adjustable Bakeware Organizer Rack. Pot lids, cake molds, and cutting boards stored flat inside cabinets slide, stack unevenly, and block access to items underneath. 10 wobble-free dividers with 5 mm thick wire construction hold heavy pans upright without leaning or collapsing under load. The expandable base adjusts from 12.6 to 21.5 inches wide, fitting most standard cabinet and countertop depths. Divider feet insert firmly into base slots rather than resting loosely, preventing movement during item removal. The rack stores lids, molds, mats, and boards vertically in one organized row. Product number 11. 12-pack clear pantry storage bins. Pantry and cabinet shelves filled with loose packages make finding specific items slow and create constant restocking disorder. 12 stackable acrylic bins with open handles on both sides create a grab-and-go system for snacks, spices, beverages, and utensils. The transparent construction identifies contents from any angle without removing bins from shelves. Stackable vertical design doubles usable shelf space without expanding the footprint. Smooth surfaces wipe clean with a damp cloth. Bins transfer between pantry shelves, refrigerators, and cabinet interiors interchangeably. Product number 12. 3-compartment ceramic utensil holder. Kitchen counters cluttered with loose cooking utensils create slow cooking preparation and visual disorder that compounds daily. 3 removable compartments sort spatulas, spoons, and ladles by type for faster grabbing during active cooking. The 360-degree rotating base on steel ball bearings spins smoothly with minimal finger pressure. A 3 mm cork base mat protects counter surfaces from scratching during rotation. The ceramic construction carries no plastic, cadmium, or lead, making it food-safe for items that contact cooking surfaces. Holds 20 to 25 utensils at full capacity. Product number 3. Bluetooth Label Maker Machine. Organized storage systems break down when contents change and old labels become inaccurate or unreadable over time. The ORGSA Label Maker connects via Bluetooth and prints through the Snap and Tag app at 203 dpi resolution without ink or toner cartridges. Laminated labels resist water, oil, and scratching after application. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery prints up to 35 inches per minute for fast batch labeling sessions. QR codes, barcodes, images, and custom text create labels for home, office, and classroom organization systems. Product number 14. 4-tier spice drawer organizer. Spice jars stored flat in kitchen drawers hide labels underneath, requiring every jar to be lifted before identifying the right one. 8 acrylic trays arranged in 4-tiered rows that tilt jars at a forward angle, displaying all labels simultaneously from above. Each tray expands from 13 to 26 inches, accommodating up to 56 standard 4-ounce spice jars across the full set. 2 mm food-grade acrylic resists yellowing and rust unlike plastic or metal alternatives. No hardware required. Trays sit directly inside existing drawers without modification. Product number 15. Lockable folding storage bins with wheels. Storage areas like dorm rooms, closets, and offices need flexible containers that adapt as contents and locations change regularly. 3 bins fold flat in 4 steps when empty, collapsing to 2.17 inches for compact storage between uses. Each bin holds up to 48 quarts with a 150-pound weight capacity for heavier items like books and tools. Dual front doors provide access without removing the lid. Stacking grooves lock bins securely when stacked vertically. One set of rotating wheels attaches to any bin for floor mobility across different room surfaces. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you choose with confidence, share it with someone who needs it and subscribe to the channel for more honest, data-driven comparisons.